Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of handmade wooden treasures ideas for the secret to meaningful gifts, timeless decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. To elevate your gifting through handcrafting heirloom wooden treasures is to embrace a process where imagination, tradition, and artistry come together to create decor that carries not only beauty and function, but also enduring meaning. Because with just a spark of creativity, a piece of wood can be transformed into something unique that warms a room, enhances its style, and reflects the personality of both the maker and the recipient, offering a gift that is cherished far beyond the moment it is given. Wooden heirlooms possess a quality that mass-produced items can never replicate. They are tactile, timeless, and alive with the story of their creation, their grain and texture reminding us of nature's hand in their formation, and their design echoing the vision and care of the person who shaped them. When you craft such a gift, you are not just making an object, you are embedding within it the spirit of imagination and the intimate connection of time spent creating something meant to last. A handmade wooden treasure might take the form of a keepsake box, a small decorative lamp, a photo frame, or a carved ornament, but regardless of form, what elevates it into an heirloom is the combination of thoughtful design and the intention behind it. These objects add warmth to a living space not only through their physical presence, the natural hues of the wood, the smoothness of a hand-sanded surface, the glow of a polished finish, but also through their emotional resonance, as they carry with them the memory of a giver who invested their creativity, effort, and vision into making something special. For the beginner woodworker or DIY enthusiast, the act of creating heirloom gifts might begin as a simple experiment in crafting, but soon becomes a powerful exploration of how even modest skill, when combined with imagination, can produce objects of lasting value. Each project becomes a reflection of individuality. A slightly uneven edge becomes a mark of authenticity. A creative flourish of carving or burning adds personality, and even small imperfections tell the story of a human hand at work. For the recipient, these gifts are imbued with significance precisely because they are not perfect replicas, but unique creations that cannot be bought off a shelf, making them treasures to be displayed, used, and passed down. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. For entrepreneurs, this concept of heirloom wooden treasures represents a pathway into a market where buyers crave authenticity, sustainability, and products that carry deeper meaning than disposable goods. Today's consumers want gifts that resonate, that say something about the giver's care and the recipient's value, and handcrafted wooden decor speaks to that desire with unmatched clarity. A spark of imagination can turn even scrap or reclaimed wood into profitable pieces that buyers recognize as both stylish decor and symbolic keepsakes, blending eco-consciousness with elegance. The beauty of gifting in this way is that it transcends trends. While styles may shift, the appeal of natural wood, crafted with care, remains timeless, ensuring that these heirloom pieces will continue to hold value and emotional weight for years to come. In a home, such treasures become more than decorations, they become anchors of memory, placed on shelves, mantels, or bedside tables, where their presence sparks conversations and reminds families of moments shared. The warmth they bring is not only visual, but also emotional, a warmth born of meaning, of knowing that the piece was made not by a machine, but by human intention. The style they add is versatile, adapting to any interior, from modern minimalist spaces where a sleek wooden accent adds organic texture, to rustic rooms where a rough-hewn surface enhances authenticity, to eclectic homes where unusual shapes and imaginative designs reflect creativity. And the personality they carry is limitless, shaped by the imagination of the maker, perhaps a carved initial, a burned design, or a custom finish that transforms a simple block of wood into a personalized treasure. In this way, elevating gifting with handcrafted heirlooms is as much about the giver as it is about the gift, because it is the maker's willingness to infuse the object with creativity, patience, and vision that makes it special. This act of creation also elevates the maker, showing them that with imagination and effort, they can transform raw materials into not only functional decor, but symbols of love, care, and artistry. For those who sell their creations, each piece becomes a bridge between craft and commerce, offering buyers the opportunity to give gifts that are both stylish and meaningful, sustainable and personal. The profits that emerge from such work are not only financial, but also emotional, as the maker experiences the joy of seeing their imagination valued, cherished, and celebrated. To craft heirloom wooden treasures is to participate in a tradition as old as humanity itself, yet one that remains profoundly relevant in a modern world searching for authenticity, and each time wood is shaped into decor that adds warmth, style, and personality to a living space. It proves that gifts can be more than material. They can be memories, messages, and heirlooms that endure. With each spark of imagination, the process continues, turning ordinary wood into extraordinary treasures, elevating both the craft and the act of giving into something timeless, sustainable, and deeply human. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, handmade, wooden treasures ideas for the secret to meaningful gifts, timeless decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.